Stuff in here for sure. Just kind of can feel them all like. Oh, I'm liking these like little gobstoppers. Nice gems on them. Let's see what's around this side. Yeah, this needs to just be taken slow. They're just laying everywhere. Oh, there's a bigger one. Nice kind of heart shape. More dome. A bits of dome. Oh, there's one. No, that's rock. There. Alright, let's see if we can get the hammer. Ooh, that's nice. Yeah, that's got some nice quality to it. Let's see. I want another. I wonder if there's another skelly in here. Man, they're just everywhere. It's like I gotta be careful because if I grab like the bigger ones, stuff's like rolling around. They're kind of piled on top of each other.
Avalanche.
Yeah, exactly.
Multi-$1,000 avalanche.
Let's see. Ooh, there's something. Okay. Not bad. A little bit more of a little bit milky, but I like the form. Oh, here's something. This is a bigger one. Semi-skeletal. Sort of got some light markings. Not bad. Let's see. Grab one more. Oh, there's some dome. Oh. There's just so many. Oh, nice. Here, why don't